To rehire an employee is just as easy as you have come to expect. Simply navigate to the terminated employee's profile and click on the green Rehire button at the top. Review the information, select a new appointment date, add languages, and then click on Save. Navigate back to the employee's listing, where the new employee profile will be visible. The prior pay rates would be added again for you, which you can then review. You also need to review the new leave opening balance date, and leave opening balances should leave balances be reinstated. Another thing that should be noted, prior payslips, leave applications, loans, and any other document generated will only be linked to the prior employee profile, which can easily be viewed in the Prior tab, and then viewing the prior profile.